Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about wine. Today I have a very exciting topic talking all about how wine is made. So I'm going to explain the harvest and take you through the first phase of the winemaking process. So I recently had the opportunity to get to participate in the grape harvest on Mount Etna. Mount Etna is a wine growing region here in Sicily. It's also Europe's largest active volcano. I was at the Biondi winery on the south side of the mountain, and I had a fantastic time. So I wanted to take you through the steps of winemaking. And first, we have to harvest the grapes. And here on Etna, they're actually picked by hand. The landscape doesn't really allow you to machine harvest. You would need wide open spaces, long rows in the vineyard to do that. Some places do it, just not here on Etna. So they're loaded into little crates and then transported to the winery or wherever they're gonna be processed at. And then here they can be put into the de-stemming machine and the crusher. So you dump them in one crate at a time. There's kind of a metal part inside, and the best way that I can describe it, it's kind of like a cheese grater, except it's round circles and the grapes fall through and it shoots the stems out the other side. So the grapes are completely removed from the stems, and then it pumps the grapes and the juice, it pumps all that into a fermentation tank. And so depending on what the winemaker is going to be making, you might leave the skins on or take them off. For the reds, they're left on. Here I'm doing it's called a pump over after the fermentation has already started. For the whites, it would be a little bit different. So the skins would be removed. Here we can see the whites being pumped back out after some skin contact, and it's going to be pumped out into this giant press, kind of like a giant strainer that's going to remove the skins, and the juice is gonna come out clean away from the skins. And this is just the first phase of the winemaking process. From there, you would still have to do the fermentation, aging, bottling, maybe even some more aging after that. Still a long way to go, and I'll save all that for another video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That really would help me out. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. And of course, leave me a comment. I want to hear from you guys. I like talking about wine, and if you guys comment on my videos, it's kind of like building a little wine community. So definitely do that. I'll see you in the next video, but for now, cheers.